press towards the mark, and I can't do it thinking like the same girl I used to be. Everything's gotta go. Everything's gotta go. Every hater, every doubt, every fear, every insecurity, depression, loose my mind. Did you know that you...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today again, you will be seeing me doing one of my favorite YouTubers, remaking one of my favorite YouTubers video. So today I will be showing you about 4 hairstyles that one of my favorite YouTubers. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my videos. Thank you. Okay, you guys, so first you want to start off on freshly washed hair, and you want to begin by making the part. You can make the part on the left side or the right side of your hair, whichever side works best for you. You want to begin by getting that part as straight as possible. And if you see me looking up, it's because I'm looking up in the mirror, trying to make sure I get this part nice and straight. Okay. After you get that part straight, you want to then part across halfway through, and then you want to part down. Right down the middle of your head. Then you want to pin one side up while you work on the next side. So first I will start off by, of course, spraying some water. And then I'm going to apply some jam. Then I'm going to take my comb and make sure I comb at my ends. And I'm just applying a little more jam, and then I'm going to take my brush and smooth it on down and smooth it back into the ponytail. Okay, and I'm going to spray it a little more water just to fluff it out a bit. Okay, so next I'll be moving on to the other side, and I'm going to kind of do the same thing, but I'm going to add a little swoop to the front. Okay, once you got it all smooth, you want to go ahead and put it in the ponytail. And then you want to add your bobby pins in. And I didn't do the same exact style she did. As you can see, as you will see, I only crossed 2. So I did 1 straight, 1 cross, 1 straight, 1 cross, 1 straight. And there you have it. So this is the final look. And yeah. This is the back. And if you want to, you can even pin your ponytails up like so. Okay, so on to look number 2. You want to brush your ponytail up, your hair up into a high ponytail. Try to get it all up and as smooth as you can. Yeah, I had to work with this ponytail because all of this puffy hair. Yes, Lord. The struggle was real, trying to get it as tight as possible. Whew. Okay, so then I'm just gonna brush up any flyaways, making sure I brush down my undercut. And yeah, so then you want to separate your hair into 2. I'm adding a little more water because I need it, honey. Okay, so then I'm going to 2-strand twist this section down all the way down to the end. And then I'm going to take it and wrap it around my ponytail and pin it up with a bobby pin in the back. And I'm going to do the exact same thing for this section. Combing it out and twisting it on down. Then I'm going to wrap this around my ponytail as well and pin it on down with a bobby pin. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and add some more jam to my hair to get the ponytail smooth. To get the ponytail nice and smooth. And that was look number 2, 3. And this is the look right here with chopsticks, just to give it a little more to it. Okay, so this is the 3rd or 4th look, which will be the final look. You want to take your ponytail and try to get it as smooth as possible. And then you want to wrap your hair down, pin it down as tight as you can, because we are now applying a ponytail. Okay, girl. Okay, so make sure you set the combs in there right, and just take your string, that the drawstring that comes with the ponytail, and you just want to pull that as tight as possible. And you go ahead and wrap that around your ponytail. Okay. Then you want to go ahead and comb the ponytail out if you need to. Make sure it's nice and straight. Also, I didn't show this step, but I took a little piece of the hair and wrapped it around the ponytail so it could look seamless. And there you have it. You guys, this is the final look. Alright guys, so that was my remake of my favorite YouTuber. I think I did okay. Could have been better. But hey, this is the finished product of the 4th style, and I think this one came out the best. Pretty cute, right? Please leave comments down below on anything that you would like for me to do, anything that you would like to see, and please stay tuned for more videos, and thanks for watching.